Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're looking at the best triangle percussion instrument steel beater on the market, the TreeWorks Chimes Triangle Beater. If you're a percussionist, music educator, or just someone who appreciates high-quality gear made with intention, you'll want to stick around. Let's get into why this tiny tool deserves such high praise. Right off the bat, what sets this triangle beater apart is its craftsmanship. This isn't a mass-produced product stamped out in some overseas factory. It's handmade in the USA by a small team of percussion experts in Nashville, Tennessee. Every single beater is nickel-plated stainless steel, which means it's built to last and delivers a bright, clean tone that professional musicians expect. The version we're featuring today is the medium weight beater. That means it gives you a balanced tone, not too light, not too heavy, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you're working with a triangle, finger cymbals, or even spring coils, this medium-weight striker can do it all. It's a go-to tool for live performances, studio sessions, school bands, or just home practice. Physically, the beater measures about 8 inches long and 7/32 of an inch in diameter. That's long enough to give you precise control, but still compact enough to carry easily in your stick bag or pocket. It weighs just 0.1 pounds, making it easy to maneuver without sacrificing any of that strong, resonant strike. One of the standout features is the grip, a color-coded, synthetic no-slip handle. The blue handle signifies medium weight. It's firm, secure, and easy to identify, especially if you've got a few beaters in your kit. And let's be real, we've all had those moments mid-performance where something slips out of our hands. This grip reduces the chances of that happening. Another big plus. This beater is made with intention. The folks at TreeWorks aren't just slapping their logo on a generic tool. They design and produce everything in-house. That means quality control is tighter, and the final product reflects the kind of precision you want in your music gear. For percussionists at any level, from student musicians just learning their instruments to professional orchestral players, this triangle beater offers consistent tone, high durability, and reliable grip. It's a simple tool, but when you use one that's this well made, you feel the difference immediately. In terms of value, it's affordable, but you're also investing in American craftsmanship, a small business, and the kind of durability that means you won't be replacing it anytime soon. If you're considering an upgrade or just looking for a dependable addition to your percussion toolkit, the TreeWorks Chimes Triangle Beater is a clear winner. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the best gear in the game. See you next time.